Good morning. I'm going to share a folio that I did. It's called a Waterfall folio. Now, credit for this design has to go to a YouTube video that I followed. Let's Get Scrappy is the name of the YouTube channel, and it's the Waterfall folio. The Waterfall folio tutorial, and very easy to do. Very cool, nice little gifts for people. These papers are amazing. I purchased off the Etsy shop. Secrethelper is the name of the store, and these papers are the Fantasy Junk Journal Kit. And they have so many different amazing papers on there. You should really go take a look. So this is the journal, and this is obviously the fantasy one with the dragons and witches and warcrafts. So basically opens up, pretty straightforward. Two sides, a magnetic closure. And there's the papers there. I'll see if I can get an angle here that's, the light's not exactly beaming off of here. So you're gonna open and open. There's lots of spots here for some mini photos or to do some journaling. And these papers come with the ephemera link as well that you can download. Actually, the pockets and the tags and everything are right there for you to cut out. So easy to do. And then on this side, we have a waterfall, again, magnetic. And it just opens, these are left blank, so that you could put pictures and stuff on it and leave a spot there for some journaling. Again, amazing, amazing graphics on these papers. This one here, it's got another pocket right here. And then this is just an envelope. It did have a flap on it, but I cut it off. And then just some additional tags that I cut it with my tag die cut that I had using their papers. So I recommend highly checking out those two spots. And good luck making your journals and your folios.